For over 15 years, Mobileye has been leading an ambitious and transformative effort to develop the most effective accident prevention system available using artificial vision. Through significant research and development, Mobileye has developed a revolutionary solution based on unique, award-winning technology. This system is compact and cost-effective, bundling multiple applications into one single package. Much like the human eye, the Mobileye solution is capable of performing driver scene interpretation, detecting and classifying different objects on the road, including other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, lane markings, traffic signs, and more. The system's capabilities provide life-saving warnings and driving enhancement features, from automatic emergency braking to completely autonomous driving, which will revolutionize human transportation. With recent changes in safety legislation, advanced driver assistance systems are becoming a prerequisite for meeting the highest safety standard. A majority of the world's car manufacturers are already using Mobileye as a significant accident prevention measure, with many moving towards implementing the technology as a standard feature. Mobileye's technology can also be retrofitted as an aftermarket system to existing vehicles as a complementary safety accessory. By installing Mobileye, individual consumers and leading vehicle fleet providers have benefited from a reduction in accidents and significant savings in operational costs. The automotive industry and millions of end users have demonstrated that Mobileye's vision has become a reality. More and more drivers around the world are enjoying a smarter and safer driving experience. Mobileye, our vision, your safety.